Assalamualaikum students. Hope you all are good and safe at your home. I am your computer teacher for class 2. I am teaching from Ismailia Youth Services School for MGPS campus. Before starting lecture, I am giving you some instructions. So kindly follow these instructions carefully. Be attentive and listen carefully. No disturbance during teaching. Listen carefully, teaching with full attention. Don't involve in other activities during teaching. You have to sit along your required subject book and proper stationery box. Take a screenshot of each slide. This is your computer book, Oxford Keyboard 3rd edition. So open your computer books. Today we are doing chapter number 2, that is parts of a computer. In previous class we have done some remaining topics of this chapter, and now we are doing remaining topics of this chapter. So topics of the day are input and output devices, multimedia devices, storage devices. In previous class I have told you about what is a computer. So I am telling you again what is a computer. Computer is an electronic machine which is used to perform different kinds of tasks. With the help of computer, we can listen music, watch movies, type, play games, draw and solve sums. So what is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine which is used to perform different kinds of tasks. For example, listen music, watch movies, type, play games, draw picture and solve sums with the help of a computer. So this is the picture of computer system. As you know that computer has four main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These are the four main parts of a computer. And when we combine all of them together, it makes a computer system. We use monitor for watch movies and cartoons. We use keyboard for typing. We use mouse for select an object, and CPU control all other parts of a computer because CPU is the brain of a computer. So computer has four main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard, monitor, CPU, mouse and keyboard. And when we combine all of them together, it makes a computer system. Computer devices. In previous class, I have also told you about computer devices. Computer devices are divided into two groups: input devices and output devices. So what is input devices? Input devices are used to enter information into the computer. We use input devices to put information into the computer. Input devices are keyboard, mouse, microphone. These all are input devices because we use these devices to enter information into a computer. We use keyboard for typing, we use mouse for select an object, we use microphone to record our voice. So we use these devices to enter information into the computer. That's why these devices are called input devices. So what is output devices? Output devices are used to give output. We use output devices to give output. So the example of output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, headphone. These all are output devices. These devices used to give output on a computer. We use monitor for watch movies and cartoon. We use printer to take print out. We use speaker to listen music. We use headphone for listen music sound without disturbing others. So these all are output devices because we use these devices to give output. That's why these devices are called output devices. So computer devices are divided into two groups: input devices and output devices. Input devices are used to enter information into a computer, and output devices are used to give output on a computer. Computer also has some other devices like multimedia devices. Multimedia devices are used to listen music, sound. That's why these devices are called multimedia devices. So multimedia devices are microphone, speakers, headphone. These all are multimedia devices. This is the microphone. Microphone is used to record sound. This is the speaker. We use speaker for listen music, sound, and this is the headphone. Headphones also used to listen music without disturbing others. So these all are multimedia devices. Multimedia devices are microphone, speakers, headphone. These all are multimedia devices because we use these devices to listen music or sound. That's why these devices are called multimedia devices. Computer also has storage devices. We use storage devices to perform different functions. Storage devices are used to store data or information into the computer. Storage devices are used to store data or information into the computer. So the example of storage devices are these are some storage devices like CD, floppy disk, USB, hard disk, and DVD. These all are storage devices. We use storage devices to save information into the computer. So the storage devices are CD, DVD, hard disk, USB, and floppy disk. Now we will know about these storage devices one by one in detail. So what is this? This is the CD. A CD is round in shape. A CD is round in shape and it is used to store a lot of data. CD is a storage device because we use CD to save data. So this is the CD. A CD is in round in shape and it is used to store a lot of data. Next device is DVD. DVD is also a storage device. It is also round in shape. CD and DVD are both round in shape and of the same size. But a DVD stores more information than a CD. CD and DVD both are round in shape, but DVD can store more data than CD. Next storage device is hard disk. What is this? This is the hard disk. It is like a box. It looks like a box. It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU cabinet, and when you save any file on the computer, it is saved on the hard disk. Hard disk is also a storage device. It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet, and when you save any file on your computer, it is also saved on the hard disk. Next one is USB. what is this? This is a USB. A USB is also called a flash drive. USB is also called a flash drive. It also helps you store data and carry the data with you because USB is lighter in weight and smaller in size, so we can easily carry in our pocket, and you can easily carry the data with you. So USB is also used to save data. It can store more data than a CD and DVD. USB can save more data than CD and DVD. So USB is also a storage device, and we also use USB to save data on a computer. Now open page number 20 in your book. We will do this true false. So open page number 20 in your books. Here question is given. Write T for the true statement and F for the false. So number A is, take your pencils and do it with me. Number A is, the CPU control all other parts of a computer except for the input devices. The CPU control all other parts of a computer except for input devices. So it is true or false? It is false because CPU control all input and also output devices. Number B is, speaker can be used to listen to music without disturbing others. So it is true or false? Give me your answers on chat box. It is true or false? Yes, your answers are right. It is false because we use headphones to listen music without disturbing others. Number C is, a CD can store more data than a DVD. A CD can store more data than a DVD. So it is true or false? Yes, it is false because DVD can store more data. Number D is, a USB can be easily carried in your pocket. So it is true or false? It is true because we can easily carry USB in our pocket because USB is smaller in size, so we can easily uh, we can USB can be easily carried in our pocket. Now open page number 20 in your books. We will do question number 3. Choose the correct option. Number A is, which one is true about the CPU? Number 1 is, it is full form. Its full form is Central Processing Unit. Number 2 is, it is the brain of the computer. Number 3, it controls all other parts of a computer. And number 4 is all of the above. So which one is true about the CPU? All above. All of the above is true about the CPU because CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also the brain of the computer, and it also controls all other parts of a computer. So all of the above is true about the CPU. So number 4 is the correct answer. Number B is, which one is an input device? You know that input devices are used to enter information into the computer. So which one is an input device in all of them? Number 1 is printer. Number 2 is speaker. Number 3 is microphone. Number 4 is headphone. Give me your answers on the chat box. Yes, your answer is right. Microphone is an input device because we use microphone to record our voice. So with the help of microphone we enter information. So, microphone is an input device. Printer, speaker, and headphone. These three devices are output device. Only microphone is an input device. So, the correct answer is microphone. Number C is which of the following is not used to store data? In all of them, which one is not used to store data? CD is used to store data, DVD is also used to store data, USB is also used to store data, but UPS is not used to store data. So the right answer is UPS. Number D is which one is called a pointing device? Which one is called a pointing device? Number 1 is keyboard, mouse, printer, hard disk. In all of them, which one is called a pointing device? Give me answers on chat box. Yes, your answer is right. Mouse is called a pointing device. Mouse is a pointing device, so correct answer is mouse. Now this is your copy work. You will do short question answer in your copy. So question number 1 is what are the four main parts of a computer? Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These are the four main parts of a computer. Question number 2. Write two lines about CPU. CPU is the brain of a computer. Number 2 is it controls all other parts of computer. Question number 3 is name any three devices used to store information permanently. So CD, DVD and USB. These all are used to store data permanently. Take a screenshot of this slide. You will do this question answer in your copy. Question number 4. Write three lines about monitor. Number 1 is a monitor is also called a visual display unit. Number 2 is it displays words and pictures. Number 3 is we can also watch cartoons, films on monitor. Question number 5 is explain CD and DVD. What is CD and DVD? CD and DVD are both round in shape and of the same size, but a DVD stores more information than a CD. Question number 6 is what is USB? A USB is also called a flash drive. It helps you store data. It can store more data than a CD and a DVD. So you will also do this question answers in your copy. Take a screenshot of this slide. Now I'm going to share descriptive question answers. Question number 1 is what is hard disk? What is hard disk? Hard disk, it looks like a box. Hard disk, what is hard disk? It looks like a box. When you save a file on the computer, it is saved on the hard disk. So what is hard disk? It looks like a box. When you save a file on the computer, it is saved on the hard disk. Question number 2 is define input and output devices. So input devices are used to enter data into the computer. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. For example, keyboard, mouse, microphone. These all are input devices. Output devices are used to give output. The output may be in the form of words, letters, images, or sound. Output may be in the form of words, letters, images, or sound. Example of output devices are monitor, printer, speaker. These are the example of output devices. So take a screenshot of this slide. You will also do descriptive question answer in your fair copies. Now I'm sharing activity based question answer. You will also do this work in your computer copy. Question number 1 is complete the table. You will do like this. So there are some terms and you will write the uses of these terms. Number 1 is printer. So what is the function of printer? Printer used to take printouts. Next one is microphone. Microphone used to record sound. Number third is speaker. We use speaker to listen recorded sound or music. Number four is devices. Device? What is devices? An object used to perform a particular task. What are devices? An object used to perform a particular task. And last is headphone. Headphone used to listen to recorded sound or music without disturbing others. So these are the terms and you will write the uses of these terms. Printer, microphone, speaker, devices and headphone. Question number 2 is activity based question answer. Question number 2, write the full form of the given abbreviation. You will do it by yourself. There are some terms and you will write the full form of these terms. Number 1 is CPU. So what is the CPU? I have told you what is the full form of CPU. CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. What is the full form of CPU? CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. Number 2 is VDU. What is the full form of VDU? Visual Display Unit. Number 3 is CD. What is the full form of CD? The full form of CD is compact disc. And last is UPS. So what is the full form of UPS? The full form of UPS is uninterrupted power supply. Challenging question answer. Question number 1 is observe the given picture, carefully identify and write 5 lines about given picture. You will write the 5 lines about this picture. First you identify which picture is this, which part is this. Give me your answers on chat box. Which part is this? Yes, your answer is right. This is the mouse. So you will write your mouse. You will do it by yourself. You will write about mouse. You will write about mouse 5 lines. You will write 5 lines here about mouse. So first you write a mouse is a pointing device. Mouse is used to select an object. Mouse is also used to draw pictures. A mouse can be held in better way when kept on a mouse pad, and it is also used to track move things on the computer monitor. So you can write any 5 lines about mouse. Now I am telling you what will you do in your home assignment. First you will draw title page, chapter number 2, parts of a computer. First you draw title page, chapter number 2, parts of a computer. Then you will write outline, objective page number 20 in book. Short question answer equal to 6. Descriptive question answer are 2. Activity based question answer 2. Challenging question answer 1. Take a screenshot of this slide. You will write down the outline in your copies. First, you make a title page. On the next page, you will write outline like this. Take a screenshot of this slide. So this is your home assignment. Read and learn tricky terms. Do page number 20 in book. Do short question answer from slide. I share a short question answer slide. So you will do short question answer from this slide, and you will also do descriptive question answer from slide. Do activity and challenging question answer also from slide. So this is your home assignment. Take a screenshot of this slide. You will do page number 20 in book, short question answer, descriptive question answer, activity based question answer, and challenging question answer. You will do from slide in your computer copies. Now I am going to finish this class. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.